on adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions, or RAE. So we have here, I'm not going to discuss the whole lesson already kasi na-discuss na natin to in school. So I'll just be giving you some examples that you can look back at para you have something to study. You have something to help you study for the quiz this coming Friday. Okay? So we're gonna start with adding or subtracting rational algebraic expressions if they are similar. So when we have similar RAE, para lang din siyang similar fractions. Pareho sila ng denominator. So madali lang tayong mag-add or mag-subtract. So in this case, we have a plus 2b and then 5a plus 4b. As you can see, pareho sila ng denominator, which is si 6a cubed. So para lang din tayong nag-a-add or nagsusubtract ng fraction. Pero in this case kasi, dahil nagsusubtract tayo, please remember that we have to employ the rule for subtracting integers. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta mina-minus. Kailangan din i-distribute natin yung negative sign doon sa ating parehas na term. So, kapag pinagsama po natin yan, ganito ang mangyayari sa kanya. Magiging a plus 2b minus 5a minus 4b. Kasi po, dinistribute natin yung negative. Okay? So, hindi siya basta-basta magiging minus 5a na lang, ha? Parehas sila magiging negative. So, once we've done that, pwede na tayo mag-simplify. So, a minus 5a, that's negative 4a. And then, 2b minus 4b, that's negative 2b all over 6a cubed. So, ang tanong, is this our final answer na? Siyempre, hindi pa kasi if you notice, we have 4, we have 2, and we have 6. So, pwede pa natin silang i-simplify. We are going to divide everything by 2. And if we do that, ang final answer natin ay negative 2a minus b over 3a cubed. Yan na po yung final answer natin. Alright? So, let's move on. Find the difference of these. So, ayan. As you can see, parehas alis sila ng denominator. Therefore, madali lang natin silang i-add. So, pagsasamahin lang natin sila under one denominator. So, we're gonna have y squared plus 8y minus 15. It says there find the difference. So, we have to put minus. Magbabago sila parehas ng sign. All over 3y squared minus 9y. So, let's simplify our numerator. Si y squared, wala siyang kapartner. So, 8y minus 4y, it's gonna be positive 4y. Yes? Okay, so what will happen is we're going to have 8y minus 4y, that's 4y. And then we have negative 15 minus 6, that will be negative 21. Okay, so now let's try to factor these. Ano po ang factors ng 21 that if you subtract will get you 4? So, syempre, may isip natin dyan ay si 7 at saka si 3. So, dahil positive po yung ating 4, ang mas malaking number yung positive natin. Tapos yung nasa ilalim, we're gonna factor out yung what they have in common, which is 3 and y. At ang matitira po natin ay y minus 3. So, of course, we can cancel this. Ang final answer po natin ay y plus 7 over 3y. Okie dokes. Alright, so now let's move on to what if magkaiba na sila ng denominator? Like this one. Okay, so this one is pretty easy pa kasi wala tayong kailangang i-factor out. So, ang kailangan lang natin dito mga anak ay magmumultiply lang tayo. Okay? So, we're gonna multiply both our denominators. Tapos, ang gagawin po natin dito, magko-cross multiply tayo. Okay? Cross multiply. So, for x times x plus 6 minus 4x times x plus 3. So we're going to simplify yung nasa taas. We're gonna have 4x squared plus 24x. And then 4x squared minus, bakit magiging minus? Kasi negative po siya. 12x all over x plus 3, x plus 6. So, we're going to have, magka-cancel po yan kasi magiging 0, 12x over x plus 3 times x plus 6. There's no need for you guys to multiply. Okay na yan. Okay? So, it's pretty simple if it's just like that. However, magiging difficult na lang din siya kapag nagkaroon tayo ng kailangan ng i-factor. Okay? Alright, so what if ganito na siya? Magkaiba again, pero kailangan natin i-add or i-subtract. So, what we're going to do is we're going to factor first yung nandito. So, what do they have in common? It's just a. So, meron tayong a plus 5 minus 9 over 3, a plus 5. So, as you can see, they have something in common, which is si a plus 5. So, yun yung gagawin nating pinaka-base natin. And then, what they have differently is 3a. So, that is what we're going to work with. Yan na po ang ating least common denominator for the two rational expressions. Okay? So, first, you're going to list down what they have in common and then what they have differently. Next is you're going to figure out kung what makes them different. So, halimbawa, ito, we have an a plus 5 times 3a and then an a plus 5 times a. So, ano ang wala dito? Ang nawawala sa kanya, yung 3. So, yung 3 na yan yung imumultiply nyo kay 5. So, 3 times 5 is 15. And then next, we're going to copy the sign. We're going to observe ano yung pagkakaiba ni 3a times a plus 5 at saka ni 3 times a plus 5. Ang nawawala is si a. We're going to multiply that to 9. So, that's why we're going to have 9a. Okay? Tapos, wala naman na tayong pwedeng gawin dyan except for simplifying dahil lahat tayo ay may 3. So, pwede natin siyang gawing 5 minus 3a over a times a plus 5. So, yan na po yun. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Okay? And then, finally, let us have this one. Okay. So, kapag meron na tayong ganito, don't panic, guys. Magpa-factor lang po tayo. Okay? So, let's factor first yung nasa first term. Mag-a-add tayo. Okay? Ano po ang factors nito? Yan ay DST or yung difference of two squares. So, we're gonna have x plus 1 at saka x minus 1. Okay? Dito naman sa kabila, ano po ang factors ng 4? That if you subtract, will get you 3. So, that is 4 and 1. So, dahil negative po yan, negative yung bigger number, positive yung smaller number. Okay? Tapos, i-rewrite lang natin yung nasa taas. Next, ano na gagawin natin? We're going to look at what they have in common. What do they have in common? Si x plus 1. Tapos, we're going to write what they have differently. Si x minus 1 at saka si x minus 4. And then, we're going to observe ano yung pagkakaiba nila. We have x minus 1 and x plus 1 at saka x plus 1, x minus 1, and x minus 4. Ang nawawala or ang different is si x minus 4. That is what we're going to multiply to our numerator. And then similarly, ang pagkakaiba po nila ay walang x minus 1. So, yan yung i-multiply natin dito. Times 1. Okay? Let's simplify to x minus 4 plus x minus 1 over, you don't have to multiply all of this. Just leave it like that. And then we're going to have 2x plus x is 3x. And then negative 4, negative 1, negative 5. 1, negative 1, 4. Wala na tayong masisimplify, therefore, that is our final answer. Okay? So, ganun lang siya mga anak. You just have to follow the steps really carefully and I hope this really helped. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!